Mangrove forests are found along our coastlines and river and creek systems. Mangrove trees grow in intertidal or estuarine areas in the warmer areas on Earth. They grow between the latitudes of 32 degrees north and 38 degrees south, where the annual temperature is above 19 degrees Celsius. Mangroves stabilize shorelines, preventing erosion and protecting the land from waves and storms. At low tide, the mangrove's roots are exposed to take in oxygen in a waterlogged environment. Mangroves provide essential shelter and protection for thousands of species in the tangle of the roots, where they can grow in relative safety before leaving for open waters. Mangroves often go unappreciated by the casual observer. Frequently too dense to get into, we only see these areas from a distance or the edge. However, the mangroves represent an extremely important part of the equation of life in all of the world's tropical ocean ecosystems. Mangroves only grow in the salty waters of the ocean's edge. This is not because they need salt, but rather because they have evolved the means of surviving where other plants cannot, thus carving out a niche for themselves with little competition for space and nutrients from other plants.